Alright, example 15, solve the linear system of inequalities and give one solution and one non-solution. So we're lucky in that this is already written in slope-intercept form, so I just need to find what the slope is. So the slope of the first inequality is -3/2, and the y-intercept is -1, and the second inequality, the slope is -1/2, and the y-intercept is -3. So now I can graph. To graph the first inequality, I start at -1, and my slope is -3/2, so I go down 3 to the right 2. And then to extend it, I go up 3, left 2. Okay, my inequality symbol here is greater than or equal to, so I know that my line will be part of the solution, so it's solid. And then I do the same thing for the blue line, so I start at -3 on the, oh sorry, let's shade first. So we're shading, we're trying to figure out which way to shade. So I'm plugging in the point 0, 0. So if 0 is greater than or equal to -3/2 times 0 minus 1. So if 0 is greater than or equal to -1. So 0 is greater than -1, so I get to shade the part that includes 0, 0, which is to the right of the green line. Okay, so we do the same thing to the blue inequality. So I start at -3 on the y-axis. My slope is -1/2, so I go down 1 to the right 2. And then to extend the line, I go up 1 to the left 2. Alright, and here my inequality symbol is greater than or equal to, so that means that my line is going to be dashed. Alright, and then I have to figure out which way to shade, so I'm plugging in my 0, 0 point. So if 0 is greater than -1/2 times 0 minus 3. So if 0 is greater than -3, and that is true, 0 is greater than -3, so I have to shade everything above the blue line. Alright, so my solution to this system, everything that's shaded black, so all of this is my solution. So for example, everything on the line here, on the solid line, but not everything on the dashed line. So for example, like the point 22 is a solution. And then things that are not a solution is everything in pink, white, and then green. And then even this solid line right here is not a solution because it's not in the black area. So my solution here, or a non-solution example is -7, -6, but it could be anything in this area.